Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing a very quick Ipsy unbagging for April. We're already at the end of the month, guys. And I hadn't done this. I hadn't had a chance, but my Ipsy bag also comes really late, which I hate. So the theme for this month is Social Butterfly. And guys, this has to be one of my favorite Ipsy bags yet. It has rose gold, it has a bunch of butterflies. It is so pretty, and then it's like a lilac-y color on the back. This is definitely one of my favorite bags. Ipsy, you're stepping it up. You're definitely stepping it up. So the first thing in here is this brush, and this brush doesn't have a brand on it. Oh yeah, it does. It's from Vasanti, and it's really pretty. It's like this very sleek gray, like gunmetal kind of color. Very nice. And I always appreciate a brush. This is like a crease brush. I always appreciate a brush, and I've told you guys the reasons why. The next thing in here is a Ofra Cosmetics blush Chameleon. Is that the color, or is that's what it's called? I'm not really sure. It says blush Chameleon. I would say that that's the color. And this is like a full size. This is not a sample size. It's a full size. Let me bring it out so I can show you guys and swatch it. So here it is. I have a little like Z palette thing, I think, from Ofra, which I'm going to, that is the swatch of it here. And then that's a very pretty blush color. So I'm definitely liking that. The next thing in here is from Feel Restored, and it's a self-warming clay mask, and it says it's pore opening and deep cleansing. And I do like masks like these. I prefer these over sheet masks. Don't ask me why, but I do. I prefer these over sheet masks. I don't know. I feel like I look really tired. Who knows? And I like this little container. I don't know why. I think it's so cute. So yeah, that's what that looks like, and I can't wait to try that out. And the next thing in here is a cream, and it says it's a finishing cream from Knots, and it's called Once Finishing Cream, and it has SPF 30 in it, and it has like a, I don't know if it's a green color because it has like that color thing right there. I'm not exactly sure. Let me open this one up and see. So yeah, it does have a green color to it. That's what it looks like. And I wonder if this kind of tries to do what the Dr. Jart Cicapair, is that what it's called? If like the correcting cream from Dr. Jart is kind of similar to this, because I've been dying to try that cream and I haven't been able to get my hands on it, but I'll try this one. And then the last thing in here is from Dirty Little Secrets, and that's a lippy, which I love. This is actually a lip gloss, and it's called Nude Beach, and it looks so pretty. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's kind of like a nude color with like glitter in it, like with gold specks. This is so pretty. Can you even pick that up there? I don't know if I move it around. That's a pretty lip gloss color. I'm loving this one. I can't wait to try it. Ipsy, I love my bag this month. You did a very good job. I'll give you an A+ on this one. All right, guys. So I will see you in my next video. This was a very quick Ipsy unbagging. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're interested in subscribing to Ipsy, I'll leave the link down below. Also, don't forget that I'm holding or running a giveaway currently up until I believe the end of next week. I think it's May 4th. I kind of feel like extending that a little bit to give you guys like more of a chance. But yeah, I'm running a giveaway now. It's a huge random beauty giveaway, so check it out. Subscribe if you haven't already, and enter the giveaway through RAFFLECOPTER. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye, my loves.